Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today, in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, the 1st July 2020. In this newspaper, we have three regular Sudoku, a binary Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. But we will start first with the binary. By the way, in this daily newspaper, there is also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe 6 Sudokus, so total of 8 Sudokus to solve. First, I will start with the binary Sudoku. And before I start, I want to know what kind of binary Sudoku this is. So let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary Sudoku. That means in a row or in a column, there's always 5 O's and 5 1's. So let's get started. Alright, I see here double 1, here an O, there an O. We have a double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, and there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Between 2 1's comes an O. Then between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Then between 2 1's comes an O. Then I think I need to count. Yeah, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I cannot place the 5th one here. If I place the 5th one here, then I have 3 O's in a row. So the 1 cannot be here. Should be an O. We have a double O. Here 1 and there 1. We have here 4 O's. If I place the 5th O here, then I have 4 1's in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. If I place the 5th O here, I still have 3 1's in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1. Here an O. There an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5. Double O. Here and 1. There 1. Double 1. Here an O. There an O. Double O. Here 1 and there 1. Then between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Double 1, here and O, there no. Double O, here and 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place the fifth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row, not allowed in this column. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. We have a double O. Here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Then do we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Yes. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's. If I place the fifth O here, then we have 4 ones in a row. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. If I place the O here, I still have 3 ones in a row. So not allowed. This should be a 1, double 1 here and O, there and O. Now I have 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, a double 1 here, double O, here 1. Sorry, double 1 here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. I cannot place the fifth one here. Otherwise, we have 3 O's in this row. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Alright. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is number 5. The fifth 1, double 1 here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. We have here double 1, here and O, there and O. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Yes! Completed in 7 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. Great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a medium regular Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.